I have the pleasure of speaking with Cornel from Robots.net at AI Expo Europe 2024. Please tell our viewers more about yourself.
Thank you very much for the invitation. It is an amazing show, and I'm glad that you invited us. I'm the CEO of Robots.net Consulting, and we deal with robots, humanoid robots, industrial robots, or collaborative robots for Romanian market.
All right, so how do you customize AI for different industries?
First of all, the AI in the industry, it's less than 10% or 5% in the total AI business. In the industry today, logistic is the ones that got more of the AI applications, and the other industry that are more standardized.
What jobs do you think robots will replace?
Almost all the jobs, it's a matter of time.
Okay, so should we be afraid of losing our jobs?
Not the smart people. Only the people that do jobs like repetitive jobs, or the jobs which are hard to handle, then these robots are the best solution for this kind of applications or support. And the creative people, we remain in the field and do the jobs that they like.
And how do you think AI influences the mind of a young generation?
A lot. So as you can see today in the show, where a lot of children that participated together with the parents, and they used to get the new technology inside of their behaviors, their brains. So they're happy to join this kind of activity. So it's also a matter of time for them. And they are pioneers and are open-minded to create applications. So the future belongs to them, of course. For us, the older generation, let's call, it is also the ways that we are constructing in the field of new technologies. So we are afraid. We think that takes the jobs from us, and which is not true.
All right, thank you so much for your participation and thank you for your time.
Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye.